price extending from 1.29865 all the way down to 1.28185, right? This lets me know the range of price that I'm currently working with. All right. Number two, the blue line that you guys see here actually lets me know the spread. All right. The black line lets me know where price is currently located, right? The current price point we are trading at. So the word spread simply means that if I wanted to buy or if I wanted to sell this current currency pair, right, based on where I entered, based on where price currently is, price would have to trade beyond the spread for me to be able to go into profit. So currently it is 5:53 p.m. Typically spreads are very bad at this time. Therefore, if I was to place a buy or place a sell, I would have a 3-pip spread that I would have to cover. So in a very basic way, think of spread as the start line, right? As if you were running a race and you are starting, let's say 3 feet behind your start line. Right? For you to get into profit once buying or selling based on where price is currently at, you have to move up that 3 feet, get to the start line, and then move beyond the start line to get into a profitable position. That is the way you can view your spread and understand it in a very simplistic way. Now, if you look to the bottom, you're going to see the date and you're going to see the time. First things first, understand most brokers run in GMT time. They are not running on Eastern time. Currently, I do not know of a way to change your broker time to Eastern. Therefore, when it comes to trading, I really don't even pay attention to the times that's listed down here or even the dates, because I'm typically aware of the date, as we start our mornings. And of course, using TradingView, the platform I will be speaking about next, it helps us understand what time of day it is and when we're looking to trade. Now, let's go ahead and talk about currency pairs. When it comes to currency pairs, you can see we have an array of different ones all to our left. Now, when it comes to trading, you typically have your majors and your minors when it comes to currency pairs. Starting first with GBP, all right, standing for Great British Pound, Euro, EUR, USD, standing for United States Dollar, AUD, standing for Australian Dollar, once again, EUR, representing the Euro, CAD, representing the Canadian Dollar, and of course, last but not least, NZD, representing the New Zealand Dollar. Now, these currency pairs all have different types of movement. It all have different ranges of movement, things we will discuss later on to the course. But from a basic perspective, understanding what each 3 letters represents helps you know which currency pair you're looking to trade. So if I look at this currency pair here, you see it stands for Euro Japanese Yen. If I wanted to trade the Euro Japanese Yen, simply I would right click, chart window, add in my template, and then from there, I'll be able to place a trade. Now, let's talk about buying and selling and how we use our platform. So to turn on the one-click trading feature, simply right-click, click one-click trading, and you will see a little icon pop up in your top left-hand corner of the screen. Now, this allows you to easily manipulate and change what's called your lot size, right? Think of lot size as the multiplier. The multiplier directly corresponds to the amount of money you will make when you're buying or selling, and it also directly corresponds to the amount of money you can lose if you're in a negative trade. Now, 1.00 representing a 1 standard lot is the typical and average lot size that is traded when it comes to Forex. Now, of course, you can increase this number, you can decrease this number. Most importantly, as you guys will learn, we want to always trade using proper risk management. But for the sake of showing you guys the platform, I'm going to click buy and show you guys how you can then edit your trade and now what these numbers represent. So starting off from the very left, it's going to show your order number. It's going to show you the time the trade was placed, the type of trade it is. Once again, we click buy, the size of the lot size, representing a 1 standard lot, the symbol we were currently trading, and the price we entered at. Now, with that being said, SL